Hello, this is just a quick video. This is the DeWalt hand vac. And the main reason I'm showing you this video is a little hack which will save you tons of money and increase your lifespan of your filter. And I'm not kidding, I'm not joking around. And the secret weapon is the Sassy Silk foot slippers things. So what do you want to do? You want to bear with me, I don't have everybody. So what you want to do, you want to take the filter out like so. Right? So you take the filter out, and the filter's out. You get yourself one of your Sassy silk foot things. And I'm not going to be able, probably not be able to do this with. There you go. You got it back together. And there you go. So that's just a little hack I use to prolong the life of your filter, and it might save you some money. Saves me money. Maybe it might save you money. Anyhow,